Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to log into your DoorDash application on your mobile device. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open the DoorDash app on your mobile device like you normally do, and then you will see this login page. Go ahead and select your country from the drop down and enter a phone number in the text box. If you don't want to use phone number, you can also tap on use email instead and enter the email address on the next page. I'm just going to type in the phone number. After you do that, tap on continue. On the next page, type down your password for your account. Right after that, you will be logged into your DoorDash account by entering your correct credentials. Your orders are ready to be placed and your food journey officially begins now. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.